Yeah, we are heading to Acholi right now for the sound check, you know, mic check 1, 2. We see it, yeah. And we know going to them people there, man, you know, say youth. But it's gonna be fire. It's fire too. Fire. Like little fire.
Boleh kamera.
Panggil kamera di sini.
Yeah man, we're there, so sound check. LoverBoy, Riverland Crocodile, Riverland concert. You don't know. Praga promotion there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
This is what we talk about.
What's popping? You already know, man. The name is Spraga, and of course, Spraga Promotion. Right now, we at the Acholi Inn for the sound check. Of course, checking 1, 2, 3. You know, man. Tomorrow, B9 concert, Pato, LoverBoy, Judas Rap Knowledge. A lot of artists, Edu Wizzy, Navi Doctor. Yeah. A lot of artists here come through. DJ Joel, MC Cash, MC Triple, MC Massey, man. Real fire, yeah. Come through, man. Come through. 10K, yeah.
Zuka.